In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Paysafecard on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the proper way to use your Paysafecard balance to buy anything on your Nintendo Switch. First, I want to say that to my knowledge, you will not be able to directly use the Paysafecard as a payment method, meaning that if you reach checkout and you try to include the details about the card on checkout, you will not be able to complete the purchase. So the only alternative is to buy gift cards using your Paysafecard. First, what I want you to do is sign into your account on the official Paysafecard website. So go over to paysafecard.com and then log in. If you go over to your account dashboard, you will be able to find a page called the gift card shop. So as you can see on screen, unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate this on my account because I won't be able to go through the checkout process, but this is how it looks. You will find this immediately upon going into your account page, and in the gift card shop, where you can purchase gift cards using your balance, is where you will be able to acquire and use the gift card on the Nintendo eShop. So you can either go to your account dashboard and enter the gift card shop or go to shop.paysafecard.com. Regardless of which option you choose, you will find Nintendo eShop in here. You will also have Nintendo Switch online memberships, and sometimes a certain game will be available. So this time it's Pokemon, but I'm just going to focus on the eShop gift card. As you can see, there will be a prepaid card here that you can purchase with set amounts, and you can use this eShop gift card to make any purchases on your Nintendo Switch. Alternatively, you can also go to different websites such as Penguin that accept Paysafecard as a payment method. So on this example, I went ahead and I selected a Nintendo eShop prepaid card, 50 euros, and then I recheck out and Paysafecard is available here. Regardless of which option you choose, the official gift card store or gift card shop on paysafecard.com, shop.paysafecard.com, or going over to a website that accepts Paysafe as a payment method, you will be able to finish this purchase and use your card on a Nintendo Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Paysafecard on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.